everybody, today we got this cool Lego box. Can you guess what it is? I'm giving you 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. If you guess what it is, tell me in the comments. If you guessed it right, put in the comments that you're the winner, okay? Okay, well, this thing's this big. I never expected this Lego to be this big, really. Wow. Okay, so here we have the Baryonyx. That's the Baryonyx. It's called the Baryonyx Face-Off the treasure hunt. There's Baryonyx. 2 instructions books. Here's the Baryonyx. It does look like a Spinosaurus, just without that thing. It has some claws, some sharp claws, like the Indoraptor. Yeah, compared to the claws, this one has smaller claws.
Compared to dinosaurs.
And the T-Rex, not sharp at all. So that's the Baryonyx. It has quite a long tail also. Has a mouth can open and close. we completed this cool Baryonyx set. First up, we have... So Owen Grady is cool. He has a tranquilizer in his gun. He has this face. And also this face when he's ready to fight. He has a tranquilizer in his hand. He has a Jurassic World shirt on, and that's it. Next up we have Sinjin Prescott. Sinjin Prescott is cool. He has a hat on. He has a knife. He has a treasure map in his hand, and also has a backpack. And if you take his hat off, you can replace it with some hair. Just like a real man. Next up we have Claire Darren. So Claire has some orange hair, or you could say brown, I think. He's brown pants, a shirt that almost looks like a dinosaur shirt. And she also has two faces. Next up we have Nedermeyer. Danny has a cool Jurassic World sign at the back of his shirt. He has a yellow thing there, buttons, and he also has two faces. And that was the last minifigure. Let's go on to the cool stuff. Next up we have Red the dog. So Red is cool. He's orange actually. He should be red. Maybe he is red. He's black here at the end of his neck, I can say. He has a cool tail. And that's it. So now next up we have the Jurassic World Jeep. So the Jurassic World Jeep has these things. They can move up and down. This thing can move up and down. Has a few stickers here. These can move like that. And it also has it on the other side. And it drives pretty well. So the island's cool. You can move the tree up and down. And it has a waterfall here also. The tree can move up and down. And there's a fish here. And a fish here. And watch this. Ooh. When you tap on this, it opens up a paw. Like this. And once you do that, you have a chest here full of many diamonds and some gold there. There's another piece of gold somewhere there. Next up we have the trailer. The trailer has a door here. You can open and close it. And this here can open and do that. This can move. Really, this can move like that. There's a satellite right here. You can make it go up. You can move it up there and down, up and down. And then also you can open this to get a good view. You can open that like that, and look, that's what's inside. You have a bed there, a computer there, and a camera here. And if you want, you can go inside here. You can try and do that. Okay. Instead of just looking at a view like this, you can barely see anything. So they made it like it can open like this, so you can have a good view of what's inside. You can combine them like that, and then they can go around, move around, you know. Just like a wheel trailer. Just with a car, not truck. Now, I think we're gonna name it X-Range. X-Range. His new name is X-Range. It's quite a good name for Baryonyx. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. Give a big thumbs down below in the comments. Bye.